Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download a VPN on your iPhone. Ever wanted to browse the internet safely and securely on your iPhone, especially when you're on public Wi-Fi? Well, a VPN, or virtual private network, is your answer. It encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, protecting your privacy and allowing you to access content from different regions. In this video, we'll walk you through a super easy step-by-step guide to downloading and setting up a VPN on your iPhone. No tech expertise needed. We'll cover finding the right VPN app, downloading it from the App Store, and configuring it for safe browsing. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more travel and tech tips. It really helps us out.
Okay, let's get started.
Screen shows iPhone home screen and navigates to the App Store.
Astérisque step 1, open the App Store. Astérisque.
First things first, locate the App Store icon on your iPhone. It's usually a blue icon with a white made of tools. Tap on it to open the App Store. Screen shows the App Store search bar.
Astérisque step 2, search for a VPN. Astérisque.
Once the App Store is open, tap the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner. Then, tap the search bar at the top and type VPN. Screen shows a list of VPN apps. Step 3. Choose a VPN provider. You'll see a list of VPN apps. Now this is important, do some research. Look for reputable VPN providers with good reviews and a strong privacy policy. Some popular and trusted options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, and CyberGhost. We'll be using name of a specific VPN for demonstration purposes in this example, but feel free to choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Remember to read the reviews. Screen focuses on a specific VPN app, e.g., NordVPN, and shows its details.
Astérisque step 4, download the VPN app astérisque.
Once you've chosen a VPN, tap the Get button next to the app icon. You might be asked to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Screen shows the download progress.
Astérisque step 5, open the VPN app astérisque.
After the app has finished downloading, the Get button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the VPN app. Screen shows the VPN app opening and its initial setup screen. Step 6. Create an account or log in. Most VPN apps require you to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in with your existing credentials. Many offer free trials, so you can test them out before committing to a subscription. Screen shows the VPN app requesting permissions.
Astérisque step 7, grande permission. Astérisque.
The VPN app will likely ask for permission to add VPN configurations to your iPhone. This is necessary for the VPN to function properly. Tap Allow when prompted. You might be asked to enter your passcode or use Face ID/Touch ID to confirm.
Astérisque, screen shows the VPN app S-main interface and the Connect button, astérisque.
Step 8. Connect to a VPN server. Now, you should see the VPN app's main interface. Usually, there's a big Connect button. Tap it to connect to the VPN server. The app might automatically choose the best server for you, or you can manually select a server location from a list. Choosing a server closer to your actual location usually gives you better speeds. Screen shows the VPN app connected and displaying its connection status. Step 9. Verify the connection. Once connected, the VPN app will usually display a confirmation message and show the status of your connection. You might also see a VPN icon in the status bar at the top of your screen. Screen shows how to check your IP address to verify the VPN is working. Shows a website like whatismyip.com and demonstrates how the IP address is different after connecting to the VPN. Bonus tip, verify your IP address. To double-check that your VPN is working correctly, go to a website like whatismyip.com before and after connecting to the VPN. You should see a different IP address when the VPN is active. This confirms that your internet traffic is being routed through the VPN server. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up a VPN on your iPhone. Now you can browse the internet with more privacy and security. Screen returns to the presenter. So there you have it. A simple guide to downloading and using a VPN on your iPhone. Remember to explore the different settings and server locations offered by your chosen VPN provider to find what works best for you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to Roam Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments below which VPN you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing. See you in the next video.